How's it going?
Pretty good, man. My wife lost her damn key. We're from Ohio, brother.
Really?
Yeah, we're out of town and
Just traveling?
my sister-in-law's graduating
Oh, nice.
right here at Phoenix University.
So just a little shopping trip and you lost the key?
Yeah.
Dang.
About 2 hours searching all over and still can't find it.
So wait, are they still inside looking?
Yeah.
Oh, I better hurry up then.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
No, you're good. I called you out here. I need a key anyways, just in case.
Yeah, I hear you. Thank you.
Even if she doesn't end up finding it.
Yeah, you might as well have the spare.
I'd rather have a spare anyway.
Well, if you cancel, it'll be the third one in a row today.
That's cool, you know, I was thinking about buying one of those and trying to learn how to use it.
Yeah. Just takes
That gives you the cut measurements, right?
exactly. Just takes practice. So how long are you guys staying in town for?
Just till tomorrow.
Oh, that's it.
Got here last night, go to graduation,
That's a long drive.
jump back on. I know. I like the road trip a
Oh, you okay. Did you do it slowly or did you just drive straight?
lot. Straight through.
Oh, wow.
We stopped in hotel for one night,
Yeah.
because we got a little bit too tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just telling my lady, I said, man, it's so nice out here, I kind of want to move here.
Yeah. 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay, I got a couple options for your ignition key, so I'm going to cut a test key first.
Yep.